I'm here to prove today if vinegar or ammonia is acid or alkaline base. I will take this solution and figure out whether vinegar or ammonia is acid or alkaline based. So I will fill this up with water a little bit, and I will take this little dropper and put 1, 2, 3, 4 drops in, and take
Drops of what?
ammonia, yeah. And take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drops of indicator solution. Mix it up and see if it's alkaline or acid base. As you see, it's way off the chart, way over here somewhere. So it is, of course, alkaline based. Now, we're going to see if vinegar is acid or alkaline based. Take the vinegar out of the cup. Put 1, 2, 3, 4 drops of vinegar in. And fill up with water. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drop of indicator solution. Mix it up, and as you see, it's way over here off the chart. So we have figured out what ammonia and vinegar is based. Vinegar is alkaline based, and ammonia is way off the chart acid based. This has been Aaron Hutchison for Science R Us Report.